Hi, my name is Yuli and I'm from Alberta, Canada. And for my make an international meal, I am making sushi. And I am showing you the ingredients that you need to make sushi. First, you need this special sushi rice. It's not just any rice. And the rice grains are smaller. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the sushi we are making with miso soup and tofu. We will get to these in a bit. So you need the sushi rice, the sushi seasoning, and basically all it is just sugar, water, and vinegar. And this is Nori Seaweed, which you need to wrap up the rice for the sushi. And this is a roller. It's like a sushi sushi mat, and you roll it up just like this, and it rolls up your sushi nicely. And we are making sushi with Smelt Fish Roe, and they're fish eggs. They may not sound good, but they are very good on sushi. And we are also making it with avocado, carrots, and cucumbers. And you can also dip them in these, which is not mayo. This is like a mayo and hot sauce. This is soy sauce. This is wasabi, and I don't remember what this is called. Ginger. It's called ginger. And these are what you need. It's the miso soup paste and the tofu. And yeah, that's how we make sushi. Okay, so first step on making sushi, you need to get the sushi rice. And you have to get 1 cup of the sushi rice.
All the way to the top. A little bit more.
It's about 1 cup, I think.
Okay.
And you have to rinse and wash it until the rice is clear. I think I put in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you put the 1 cup of rice into here, and then I'm pretty sure I just rinse it in the sink. Or do I have such a place to put it?
In the sink.
Okay, so after you rinse the rice, you put it in a pot right here. And then once that's done, you need 1.5 cups of cold water. Right there, that's 1.5 cups. So I'm gonna fill it up there. Okay, that's still below 1.5 cups.
That looks good.
Yeah, you're right. I put that in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah.
And you put it onto the stove?
Yeah, put it on the stove right here. And then I think you just wait until it boils. Okay, so once you have it in the pot, you have to let it boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes and then take it off the heat for 5. Okay, so once the rice has been boiled, you have to put the rice into this glass bowl and stir it with this wooden spoon. That is very important that you use these. And then you add 2.5 tablespoons of the sushi seasoning. If you're doing 1 cup. Okay, so we're cutting the carrots and the cucumbers while the rice cools.
Watch those fingers.
Okay, so now once we've done all the stuff that I just showed you, you now have to put the rice, I'm just going to use my hand. It should be sticky rice, but you got to put it on the seaweed, which is not sticking very well to the seaweed pad. And we just watched a tutorial on how to fold this. So you have to leave a little space at the bottom right here so it can stick to itself. And you gotta put plastic on your bamboo wrap. And once you roll it, it's gonna be very big, but you put your fillings in, and then you roll it, and then you can cut it from there. Now that we've rolled it, we are gonna cut it in half. Well, not exactly in half. You cut in half. Depends how big you want. You can cut in half, and then cut the two pieces again in half, and it would make a really perfect sushi roll. And you have to roll it tightly. So basically, you have to roll it like this, squeeze it tightly, fold the top over, and just keep doing that over and over again. Okay, so now we're making the miso soup, but I'm gonna start with the tofu. Big, chunky, wonky tofu. Now we're gonna make the soup. So that's how you make sushi. It was a very fun experience. It took about an hour and a half to 2 hours. The soup turned out pretty good. It's supposed to be cloudy like that. We got these really nice sushi bowls, and we got these really cool soup spoons, and we got the sushi chopsticks, sushi plates, and the thing that you put like syrup and stuff in, not syrup.
Soy sauce?
Soy sauce. Blech. Soy sauce in, and then we got all these different kinds of sushi. This one's giant. It's like spilling out. But yeah, we made sushi, and it worked, and it's good.